Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 7 remedies that really work for common issues. Let's get started. Number 1. For headaches and migraines, try acupressure. Press the webbed area between your thumb and index finger for 5 minutes, and studies show a 70% reduction in pain intensity. 2. Aloe vera for sunburns. Sunburns can be a pain literally. Aloe vera is your go-to remedy. Apply pure aloe vera gel to the affected area. It's not just a myth, it can reduce redness by 50% within 24 hours. 3. Ginger tea for nausea. Soothing an upset stomach? Ginger tea is your friend. Steep fresh ginger in hot water and sip it slowly. It's proven to alleviate nausea by 45%. 4. Epsom salt bath for muscle pain. Muscle pain? An Epsom salt bath does wonders. Dissolve 2 cups in warm water, soak for 20 minutes, and say goodbye to muscle soreness, a 60% decrease in discomfort. 5. Honey for sore throat. Suffering from a sore throat? Honey is the answer. Mix warm water with honey and a pinch of salt, and gargle. This remedy has a whopping 80% effectiveness in relieving sore throats. 6. Lavender oil for stress. Combating stress? Lavender oil is your secret weapon. A few drops on your pillow can improve sleep quality by 50%, promoting a calmer mind. 7. Peppermint oil for headaches. If headaches persist, try peppermint oil. Apply diluted oil to your temples. Studies show a 35% reduction in headache intensity, offering a natural remedy. There you have it, up 7 remedies that really work. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it's essential to find what works best for you. Pro tip: always consult with a healthcare professional before trying new remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips. Your support keeps this channel going. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself. Goodbye.